next speaker is the birthday girl, Foley from Miss Nealon's class. Sorry.
Do you? What if there was something that's such a strong pull that not even light was fast enough to escape? Will this nightmare come true in 1916? Want to find out more? First, we're going to meet this monster. Second, we're going to talk about this monster's origin. Hang on to your space helmets because we're in for a wild ride. Raise your hand if you know what a black hole is. Well, a black hole is technically a ghost of a star, a rather neat one at that. A black hole is when a star dies a traumatic death, a supernova. Normally when a star dies, a space explosion happens and the star pushes whatever's inside it out. But with a black hole, it's almost like the star collapses in on itself. Did you know that a black hole has such a strong gravitational pull that it can fling stars that are a million times the mass of our Earth at very, very high speeds? For example, at the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, a supermassive black hole throws stars into orbit that were originally light years away from each other. The event horizon is where strange things start to happen. The event horizon is sort of like the surface before you fall into a black hole. If you get too close to the event horizon, you start to get stretched. This process is called spaghettification. The name fits. You get stretched until you disintegrate. If you were watching someone go into a black hole, time for them would go slower the closer they get to the black hole. Time for you would still be going the same. But if they survive spaghettification by some slight chance, a second for them would be a year for you. It's called time dilation. Everybody has an origin, right? Do any of you know yours? Mine begins at OMC Hospital. A black hole's origin is drastic. Like I said before, it's almost like the star collapses in on itself. I wouldn't want to have an origin like that. Black holes are like the monster under your bed. They suck in everything. Everything about the black hole is drastic. Its origin and what it does. I am so glad that the nearest black hole that we know of is at the center of our galaxy.